Welcome to TigerMomKittenDaddy. You are wondering why I'm doing this. That's because
Declan is sleeping. Declan is just awake and he's wearing a dinosaur hat. Whoa! This is us. Wow!
what's this?
Where is it?
Dad, where is Gary's Nemo?
Gary's Nemas?
Dad.
Are you sure? Wow! Wow, they have a huge collection, Declan. Oh, Declan, there's a T-Rex.
A big T-Rex.
So this is the size, the real size, Declan, yeah?
Wow,
What is that?
there's a sound.
Oh, there's a Stegosaurus. What is that?
Argentinosaurus.
Oh, Argentinosaurus. And then where is the T-Rex? There's a T-Rex and what else? Where is the Triceratops? Where is it? Can you show mommy? Oh, this one, the top one? Wow. They can look on the right side. Oh, there's a snake. There's birds. Right? What's that? Where's alligator?
This is the dinosaur.
Yeah, there. This one, right?
This is the mammoth, Declan?
That's a mammoth. No, that's the one.
Oh, there's a lot of sharks on this side.
Where's sharks? Oh, there's a big alligator. Right?
Declan takut?
Look it up there, man.
Where is it? Oh, yes.
There's some sharks here. Over here, Declan. On this one, on the left. Go straight. Go that way.
Oh, dinosaur.
Whoa! That's a dinosaur.
Oh,
Whoa! Look at that.
The evolution TV. Yeah, and that's us now. Today. Yeah.
地下2階です。
Hello, Declan.
扉が
Dozo
開きます。
yoroshiku.
上へ
Let's go. This is us. Hurry up, go in here.
wow. He's a fossil, Daddy. Wow.
The fossils, right? It's how the earth was formed. This one of the oldest dinosaurs is the shells.
They can look. Your dinosaur, you see? Inside, there's a T-Rex.
Everything comes from the sea first, okay? And from the sea, they slowly crawl up to land. You see?
Look.
And this T-Rex, this the doctor, and there's
Elasmosaurus.
yeah,
Elasmosaurus, the one who can swim.
yeah.
You know, all this.
Oh,
land
there's
dinosaurs.
fish too, Daddy.
Sea turtles has been around for a while.
And
see?
Fish, Daddy. Fish with the fish too, Daddy.
The fish and then the seashells, you see? Seashells.
Oh, what is this, Daddy? On the right. The mouth of what? What is this?
That's Declan's mouth if he didn't brush his teeth, Mommy.
Oh,
That's not my mouth. My mouth is not like that, but mouth is like this, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
That's the Dinosaurs.
This is a J7-20 Uenokoen.
They don't get this. They don't get that, Daddy.
This is called the cells, okay? You'll learn that later when you look into the microscope, okay? All the cells. Okay, so this is the
Which one?
The earliest dinosaur.
this one?
This thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but
Here you go.
like the- yeah, this one lives in the water. This is the
What
ancestor
kind?
of crabs and lobster.
Wow! See how excited Declan is when he look at dinosaur. Look at him. He's wow. Wow. Wow, amazing, Declan.
See, this is the evolution.
You see, it starts from here, Declan. It starts from here.
This is from how it became bear. Or this is the old school.
What? Bionics, Daddy. Bionics?
Bionics.
Yeah.
No, it's the evolution that becomes. You know, remember our friend here? This our friend in Ice Age. That guy. I don't know what that.
Right side. Wow. What a huge collection. What a collection. The human evolution. See, it's as tall as you.
Oh, why is he pointing where?
It's pointing to Daddy.
Huh?
Pointing to Daddy. Declan is as tall as you, Declan. Let's go.
These are cartoon, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, dinosaurs. Whoa.
How about some Pachyrhinosaurus?
Yeah.
Not just one.
I want Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus.
Are you sure?
You sure?
Are you sure?
Metrodon.
Declan. This one.
Oh, did you say buy one, Mommy?
Okay.
Oh, buy one Spinosaurus.
Buy one.
This is Declan. After shopping with the dinosaur.
What did you buy there?
What did you buy?
I want.
It's okay, Declan. Let's do it at home,